Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Today we got one fighting call at about 1:00 hours PM near Arlem circle. According to the call, we visited the spot and we found that one assault has been taken place on the history sheeter Anwar Sheikh by other three members of the gang. That is Ricky Olernkar, Nayak and one Salim from Kurcharan. So accordingly, we shifted Anwar Sheikh to hospital for further treatment and caught one person, Ricky Olernkar, on the spot. So remaining two persons are absconding and they will be taken into custody very soon. So presently we are recording the statement of Anwar Sheikh and we'll register the complaint of this incident and we will conduct a further investigation. So we found one weapon on the spot, koita, so that we have taken into custody. Their previous enmity between both the games.
गँगान स्पॉटार फायरिंग केल्ल्याचो आवाज आयिल्लो म्हूण थळावे सांगतात. पुलिसांक विचारल्यार तशें कांय ना म्हूण जाप. प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.